Can someone tell me what the fuck is going on with this Xmaxx? No steering at all. It's making a whining noise. I'll probably say it's the servo. Replacement will fit